Did you know you can receive your very first Trendsend by EVEREVE style box styling fee for $1? $1. What do you have to lose? Plus, if you use my referral link, then let's just keep going. You'll receive 20% off of anything you purchase from that particular box, and I will also receive 20% off. So it's a win-win. Oh, and if you keep 4 or more items, you will receive an additional 10%. I mean, what are you waiting for? Order your box, spend $1 at minimum, and who knows, you will probably find some really great items at a nice discount. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and a try on of Trendsend by EVEREVE. Here is my nice little folder. Michelle has styled me, and here's an invoice. Let me see. Looks like there's a discount on here. Is there? I think there is. Yes, 20% discount off anything I keep out of this box because someone was so kind to use my referral link. So thank you very much. And if I keep 4 more items, I get an additional 10% off. So I think that's a really fun, great way to shop at home. And then on here also it has my outfits. So let me see. Oh, look at this. Kind of got tousled. So let's get started and get it open. How cute is this outfit? Okay, let's just start with the skirt. The skirt is actually mine because Trendsend sent me this skirt, which I own one very similar in a size 1, which their sizing's always kind of strange for sundry. But this is so cute. It could have been really cute on, but it does not fit. This is just called a navy skirt. It's $64, size 1. I've purchased from Trendsend before and I've sized up. So somebody missed that in my sizing chart because I would have loved to try this on with this sweatshirt. Look at this. This is so cute. This is called the Byron Varsity sweatshirt, $68. It is machine washable. I love the look of this, and it looks great with my Skort. These are shorts underneath. So it is a Skort. This is Little Donkey Andy, where I got these. I'll leave links below for everything if I can find these, but everything else that's in my box. But this is a really cute sweatshirt. I really like it. It's very, very soft, very soft. Pretty cute. Give you a closer look. Look at the detail on it. I don't know, there's just something, even though it's a high neck, I really like it. Okay, it is machine washable. Polyester, rayon, and spandex seems to be kind of a lot of the common material these days. Dolman sleeves, they tell you it's $68 and I am wearing a size small. This is the only thing. The sleeves are tight. This band, there's like hardly any room. There's really no stretch. And I've had it on for a little while and it's not loosening up. It's tight. So for that reason alone, this is going to be a no. I really wanted to keep it. This is something I would get some wear out of. It does have the band at the bottom. This is a light gray. So cute. But unfortunately, it's a no. How cute is this top? This is the Evelyn Eyelet top in powder blue. I'm wearing a size small. This top is $88. It's by EVEREVE. And the last top I had on, the sweatshirt, is by EVEREVE also. Now this top, actually the sleeves are really loose and there's elastic band on the sleeves. Actually, this one's tighter and this one's very loose. And this one actually feels just right. Elastic at the neck And then the bottom has some elastic also. It's really cute. It's lined. The outside is 100% cotton. The lining is 100% rayon, hand wash only. So for that reason alone, I am not keeping this because it's hand wash. I've bought rayon before. I've put them through the delicate, and yes, they did shrink. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. See, this sleeve keeps, see that sleeve keeps going down and the other one doesn't. And it's $88. If you're gonna pay $88 for something, then you want it to fit right. But it sure is pretty. I was real hopeful when I put this on. But it's gotta fit right. And this one doesn't, so this is going back. Now, I have something to show you. They sent me a pair of blue denim, Good American, and you guys that have been following me know that Good American jeans do not fit me, and I've put that in my comments I don't know how many times. They sent me a size 8 in Indigo. They're $149. They also sent me a pair in white, Good American raw hem, size 8, and they're $99. Look at the difference. Well, let's see. Yeah, the blue ones made the big V, and I put a washcloth right in there. I was gonna come down and show you, and I'm just like, no, that's crazy. So what is the problem? Here we go, you can see this a little bit better. With the sizing, that's really odd. So needless to say, the good leg straight is what they call these. Oh, this one's a raw hem also. It didn't say that on the description. I like that. I like the unfinished hem. I like the wash on these. And they are cropped, which the length of where they showed up on me, I actually like them. So unfortunately, you know, I can't show these to you. These are going back. So far, we're hitting 0. This sleeve just keeps falling down. Now I tried the white jeans on and I did get them on, so I will show these to you, but they are $99. Why are they $99? The other ones are $149. These are the raw hem. Can't remember the length on them, but I will put these on, so I'll be right back. Here's a top by clothandstone. It is 100% tencel, machine washable. It is called the Wash Down Button Tank. And actually I just slipped it on over my head, but there are some buttons right here. It's $78. I am wearing a size small. This is like an ivory color. It's really cute. I like the feel, the material of it. It has elastic here at the bottom. But it seems, my hair's a mess. There seems to always be a but to everything, it seems like, in this box. Okay, look how long. I put a cami on underneath it. So I don't want to wear a cami in the summer underneath my tops because it's just too hot in Ohio. It gets so humid. So unfortunately, only because of how big the armholes are, I don't want to wear anything but a bra underneath this. So for that reason, this is going to be a no, especially for the price. Now, if I got this on sale for like 20 bucks, then we're talking something a little bit different. But for $78, and I get 20% off of that, but the way this box is going, there are not gonna be 4 items in here. I'm not even sure if there's gonna be 1 item, but let's see. Okay, the jeans, Good American jeans, I got them on, and they fit. Can you guys believe that? I normally cannot wear Good American jeans, but these white ones, they have some extra, like the waistband seems a little bit maybe larger, maybe there's more stretch in these. I like the length of them. They are the raw hem. I guess they're, I don't know what the leg on this is. It's a, I don't know. It's not a straight leg because this is really snug through here, which I like the style of these. The length is good. I think they look great with a pair of tennis shoes, depending on the top that you wear, what color tennis shoes you'd wear. Okay, here's the thing. I'm gonna turn around and I realize I don't have nude underwear on, so just excuse that. But they flatten my bum. I like a booty, but this one is like smushing me, and they don't feel tight. They don't feel tight at all, but they kind of look like it. There's the pockets. They're just not real flattering on my back end for me. So, and I bought a pair of NYDJ jeans, white denim, that I love. I washed them, I threw them in the dryer. Oh boy, those things shrink, yeah. But there's a ton of stretch in them. So, you know, and this feels like it's got a little, yeah, it's got extra material right here. Here's the waist, it's a high waist. So these are gonna be no, both items are gonna be a no. Let's see if we can find something to work. I don't know how many items I've left, so hang on. Be prepared. This top, $148. $148. It is by Rails. It is pretty cute, but it's $148. And it's hand washed because it is linen and rayon. So, but here it is, sure is cute. So it's like a white and a beige color. I have a cami on underneath. As you can see, it's pretty thin. The sleeves are, they're not cuffed, that's just the hem on them, which is really nice. I mean, it's a really nice style. It doesn't gap. I mean, it's really a nice, easy to wear top. I think it's pretty. It's got the collar with the buttons, but $148, not for this girl, and not hand washed. So one more item. I think we have a winner. I think this sweater is staying with me. And let me show it to you and explain my thought process behind it. And I might be a little crazy, but I love this sweater. Okay, this is the Clara Pullover. They call it white, I call it ivory. It's $98. Yes, $98. My price would be $78.40. But look at the stitching detail. It has the bell sleeves. This is warm. It is very warm. It is acrylic and has something else that I can't remember, but it is machine washable. It is the higher neck. Do I have this on right? Let's see. Yes, the higher neckline. It has the, the wider hem at the bottom. This is warm. This is very warm. This would be great for with the cooler nights when you want to put something nice on, but you don't want to wear a jacket. This would be perfect for that. I don't know. I really like it, you guys. I love this. Love it. Okay. I know you guys think I'm crazy because I just bought this one from White House Black Market. Now next to this kind of ivory, this does look white, but this one has a V-neck, and this is the one I paid, well, this is the one I got free. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will put it up here on my shopping trip on how I got this sweater free. And then also I own this sweater. It is a V-neck also. Now see, this is white, so it makes this look ivory. And this is a V-neck. This one I got at Talbot's last year. Love this sweater. It's warm also, they're all warm. So this one would be a little bit different. The sleeves are different. It has the drop sleeve. I'm telling you what, this is warm. So I would get for $78, and then I get my $20 styling fee. Did I tell you guys there's $20 styling fee towards this? So really it's gonna end up costing me $58, or I'm gonna send the entire box back and I'm gonna lose my $20, which I do not have a problem losing my $20. I don't always look for something to keep, just to keep from losing my $20. Sometimes I do when I'm kind of on the fence, but So this might be a keeper. I really like it. When we go on vacation, we used to go to Mexico every year, twice a year in the winter. Well, their evenings are cool, and I always have a jacket or something with me. This would be perfect. So I don't know. I'll have to watch the video back, see what I think, see what you guys think. I just put it on with my Skort and my gym shoes. I had it on with the white denim, but then it was just, I don't know, you could wear them together. It made this look kind of, just a little dingy, I should say. All right, so what do you guys think? That is my Trendsend box. Thank goodness. Shipping, returns are free. The box sent to you is free. And that's it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.